Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna flakes in oil. First, choose high-quality tuna fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick for optimal texture. Next, ensure your tuna is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This step is crucial for proper searing. Finally, season both sides of the fillets with a good amount of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the natural flavors before cooking. Now let's cook the tuna. Heat 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the seasoned tuna fillets into the hot pan. Sear each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a beautiful golden brown crust. Remember, the goal is to cook it just enough so the center remains slightly pink, ensuring tender, flavorful flakes. Once cooked, transfer the tuna to a wire rack and allow it to cool completely. This helps maintain its texture. After cooling, use a fork to gently flake the tuna into your preferred size pieces. Now, for the oil infusion. Place the flakes into a clean jar and cover them entirely with high-quality extra virgin olive oil. You can add aromatics like a bay leaf or a few peppercorns for extra flavor. To store your delicious homemade tuna flakes, ensure they are fully submerged in the oil within an airtight container. Keep this container refrigerated, and your tuna flakes will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days. They are perfect for salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes. Also, for other great deals and that amazing sock link, remember to check the description below this video. You won't want to miss out on those fantastic finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.